How to stop overthinking everything. Have you ever replayed a conversation in your head 100 times, analyzing every little detail? Or maybe you've spent hours stressing over a decision, afraid of making the wrong choice? Overthinking can feel like your brain is stuck on a loop, running in circles without ever getting anywhere. And the worst part? It doesn't solve anything. It just makes you feel exhausted and anxious. But here's the truth. Overthinking isn't a personality trait. It's a habit. And just like any habit, you can break it. If you find yourself constantly stuck in your own head, hit that like button and keep watching, because we're going to talk about how to stop overthinking everything. And if you want more content on mental clarity and self-improvement, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Why we overthink. Overthinking usually comes from fear, the fear of failure, the fear of judgment, or even the fear of the unknown. Your brain is trying to protect you by analyzing every possible outcome, but instead of helping, it traps you in a cycle of doubt and hesitation. Drop a comment below if you've ever overanalyzed something so much that you ended up doing nothing at all. You're not alone. The good news? There are ways to break free from this cycle. Step 1. Get out of your head. The more time you spend inside your thoughts, the worse the overthinking gets. The solution? Shift your focus to something external. Go for a walk, do a quick workout, or even just clean your space. Physical movement helps break the pattern and grounds you in the present moment. And if you're still struggling, try this. Set a 5-minute timer and allow yourself to think about the issue. But once the timer goes off, that's it. No more analyzing. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it helped. Step 2. Ask yourself, will this matter in a year? Most of what we overthink won't even be relevant in the future. The next time you catch yourself spiraling, ask yourself, will this still matter in a year? If the answer is no, then it's not worth losing sleep over. And here's something even more powerful. Take action. Overthinking thrives on indecision. The longer you hesitate, the bigger the problem feels. Even a small step forward can break the cycle. If this resonates with you, drop a yes in the comments and let's start making progress together. Step 3. Reframe your thoughts. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask yourself, what if I succeed? Instead of worrying, what if they don't like me? Remind yourself, not everyone has to. Your thoughts shape your reality, so start choosing thoughts that empower you instead of trapping you. Final thought. Overthinking isn't something that disappears overnight, but with practice, you can train your brain to let go and trust the process. So, what's one thing you tend to overthink the most? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on mental clarity and personal growth.